Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? Today we are going to learn letter A. Letter A with its sound and vocabulary. Yes, let's see. Letter A says A. What is the sound of A? A. Revise with me. What is the sound of A? A. A says A. A says A. Now let's check its vocabulary. Oh, what is this? It's a ant. A ant. Yes, this is a ant. And the next is alligator. A alligator. And what comes after alligator? A apple. The sound of A is A and A apple. Okay kids, do you know an apple a day keeps a doctor away? Yes, this is A apple. Now next is A astronaut. Wow, what is this? A astronaut. And the next is A air. What is this? A air. And the next is A aeroplane. A aeroplane. Wow, what is this? A apricot. It's also a fruit, a apricot. And this is a ankle. Where is your ankle? Touch your ankle. A ankle. And the next is a arm. What is this? A arm. Show me your arm, everybody. And the next is A says A. A says A. Remember children, A says A. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.